Hello everyone, myself Namneet. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Firstly, subscribe my channel if you want to boost your score because my all videos are beneficial for the candidates because I always like to make the videos on the behalf of my candidates who have given exams, and my all videos are on the experimented on the candidates which I have already experimented. So be careful regarding each and every videos, and if anyone have any kind of doubt, comment on my video so that I can upload the another videos on the behalf of your queries. Today we will discuss about the task 2 of the writing, that is known as the agree or disagree. Some of the students also have an error part in the task 2. Today I will discuss how you can make it more organized, how you can organize very well your task 2 of the writing. So I have taken one example that is known as we are happier than our forefathers. Do you agree or disagree? First of all, student also have a confusion that where they should go, agree or disagree, to what extent, like partially agree. बट इन्हां स्टेटमेंट्स दे विच जिहड़े स्टूडेंट्स मिसटेक करते हैं वो मिसटेक हुंदी है इत्थे, जिवें अज दा जिहड़ा ऐसे है उहदे विच कहा गया है कि डू यू अग्री और डिसअग्री, तो स्टूडेंट कई पार्शली अग्री वाल चले जाते हैं. दैट इज़ टोटली रॉन्ग बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन इज डू यू अग्री और डिसअग्री. सो यू शुड चूज द वन साइड ऑफ द एसे. अगर थोनों इत्थे आ जाता है टू वट एक्सटेंट डू यू अग्री एंड डिसअग्री, सो यू शुड गो विद द पार्शली अग्री. यू कैन टेक द टू स्टेटमेंट्स, बट इफ देयर इज अ डू यू अग्री और डिसअग्री, you should go with the one point. Today I will discuss about the intro part and two body parts, body paragraphs, and the conclusion, how we can organize and make it more easier and convenient also. In the convenient way I will explain you so that you can add some of the innovative ideas in order to organize your task too. So let's go with the point. फर्स्टली अपनी जी स्टेटमेंट ये आ कि आपां जिहड़े ज़्यादा हैप्पीयर है रैदर दैन आर फोर फादर्स, असेस्टर्स, अनसेंटर्स. In the ancient time people were less happier rather than present. In the present we are more happier rather than the past. So do you agree or disagree? We will discuss the point of agree and disagree, but first of all you should go with the introduction because first impression is the last impression. You should go with very important term that is known as the introduction. So let's go with forefathers and happier. First of all we will discuss about the intro part. सब तो पहला तुसी discuss करना है undeniably in the present scenario a state of art facilities are being enjoyed by the people which has made their life more comfortable and convenient. So that's why it can be observed that we are more happier rather than our ancestors. ਆਪਾਂ ज़्यादा happier है rather than our ancestors. I agree with this statement. Agree वाले portions दे विच तुसी इदां दी introduction है जिहड़ी वो बनानी है. अगर तुसी डिसअग्री दा पॉइंट दी इंट्रोडक्शन बनानी है वो आप बाद विच डिस्कस करांगे. पहला आप अग्री दे सारे पॉइंट्स लिखांगे तो उस अकॉर्डिंग जिवें इंट्रोडक्शन मैं डिस्कस कराई है उस अकॉर्डिंग यू शुड गो विद इट. अज दे प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो दे विच तुसी देखो किन्नियां फैसिलिटीज़ हैं, वी कैन इंजॉय मोर. ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਸਿਨੈਰੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਰੈਦਰ ਦੈਨ ਪਾਸਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ, ਅਗਰ ਪੀਪਲ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਕਵਰ ਦ ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਡਿਸਟੈਂਸ ਇਨ ਆਰਡਰ ਟੂ ਗੋ ਟੂ ਦ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ, ਸੋ ਦੇ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਸਪੈਂਡ ਅ lot of time. That was totally wastage of time. But in the present scenario, due to the sophistication in technology as well as advancement also, lot of transportation sections are present, so it is convenient to travel one place to another place. So in this way we can say that in the present scenario our life is more easier as compared to past. So let's go with the points. इस तरीके दे नाल ये सीगी इंट्रोडक्शन. हुण आपां ने पॉइंट डिस्कस करने हैं कि why we are more happier. As usual you should go with the first line of the template that there are many arguments which I would like to substantiating my arguments. The primary one is that life expectancy of the people has increased in the present scenario. लाइफ एक्सपैक्टेंसी का मतलब की है, अज दा जिहड़ा मनुख है, अज दा जिहड़ा ह्यूमन है, लिव लॉन्गर and cure all the disease some not only the simple disease but also the fatal disease. Word लिखो fatal disease. फैटल डिजीज़ के ਜਿਹੜੇ क्योर्स हैं वो अज पॉसिबल हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द इन्वेंशनस रिसर्च विच हैज़ बीन डन इन द मैडिकल फील्ड. सो इनू इलैबोरेट आप करांगे. फर्स्टली तुसी डोमीनेंट पॉइंट लिखना हुंदा है वो आप लिखांगे लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी हैज़ इंक्रीज्ड इन द प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो ड्यू टू सम ऑफ द रिसर्च एंड इन्वेंशनस विच हैज़ बीन डन इन द मैडिकल फील्ड. समझ आया. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर तुसी जस्ट इदा नहीं लिखना कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल तुसी उन्होंने इलैबोरेट करना अपने फॉर्मल पोर्शन दे विच. किवें इलैबोरेट करोगे. टू इलैबोरेट एन एपिटोम विच कैन बी कंसीडर्ड इज दैट in the ancient time people have had to lost their life due to having a lack of medical facilities when they were suffering. ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹ ਸਫਰ ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ from some of the disease ठीक है. in this way due to having a lack of treatment lot of people ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ die ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ died in the ancient time. but in the present scenario ठीक है ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ fatal disease ਹੈ the cure of the fatal disease is possible. So people can enjoy more and more their life and they live longer. Justify my point. Are you got it? ठीक है. ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕੀਤਾ. ਇੱਕ ਫਸਟ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇਲੈਬੋਰੇਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਵਿਦ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ. ਸੋ ਫਸਟ ਪੈਰਾਗ੍ਰਾਫ ਹੈਜ਼ ਕੰਪਲੀਟਡ. In the second paragraph we can discuss about the recreational places. In the present scenario, a numerous type of recreational places are present where the people can spend their leisure time, spare time, recreational time in the innovative and constructive way. Like in the ancient time where the people had to stay at home, but in the present scenario, ठीक है, people can go to the park, garden, cinema halls. ठीक है. ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਵੀ रिक्रिएशनल पॉइंट्स है गार्डन्स हो गया जिम हो गया एंड न्यूमरस टाइप ऑफ अकेडमीज आर प्रेजेंट वेयर द पीपल कैन इंजॉय द स्विमिंग ठीक है अदर स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज डांसिंग सिंगिंग एनीथिंग एल्स. इन दिस वे दे कैन गेट गुड नेम एंड फेम एंड शो देयर हिडन टैलेंट्स ऑल्सो. इन दिस वे दे कैन की आ जाऊगा अपने को रिजुविनेट देयर टायर्ड माइंड फ्रॉम द मोनोटनस ऑफ हैक्टिक स्केड्यूल विच एवरीवन हैज़ not only academically but also personally as well as professionally. In the past time ਜਿਹੜੇ retired people ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ old people ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ they do not have a source of entertainment. They had to stay at home but in the present scenario they can go with the traveling ठीक है not only nationally but also internationally like all the due to the globalization है ना advancement in the transportation and technology also. ਤਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਨੁੱਖ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ entertain ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ. So that's why we can say that in the present scenario people are more happier rather than the ancient time. So second point discuss ਹੋ ਗਿਆ. Another point you can also go with. ਹੋਰ ਕਿਹੜੇ points ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ. Another point like first point अपना medical facilities ते हो गया. Second point अपना state of art facility like recreational points ते हो गया where the people can spend their time free time ठीक है and can get the good satisfaction. Third point you can say that the advancement in technology has broken all the boundaries of the world by make the life of the people more convenient as well as comfortable. In the present scenario people need not do a lot of hard work due to with the help of machines they can do every work on the spur of the moment. In this way they can save their time. Got it everybody? So let's ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹਦੀ explanation ਹੋਗੀ. Last one is a conclusion. After pondering a great deal of thought I came to the conclusion. In the present scenario people can do anything else whatever they want and they have a lot of sources where they can enjoy more their life and they can live longer due to having a medicine and some of the inventions of the medical fields. ठीक है. They need not suffer a lot from the pains and from the other portions. ठीक है. So that's why it has justified that in the present scenario people are more healthier as compared to past. So it was the portion of the favor of this statement. Next we will discuss about the disagree points. Undeniably in the present scenario sedentary lifestyle has been adopted by the people which has some of the adverse consequences that can be seen ठीक है, towards the health disease of the people. So I disagree with this statement that people are more healthier in the present scenario as compared to past. Got it? ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੇਮ ਉਹੀ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਇਮਰੀ ਫੈਕਟਰਸ ਹੈ ਉਹੀ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਪ੍ਰਾਇਮਰੀ ਫੈਕਟਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕੀ ਆਊਗਾ, ਇਨ ਦ ਪਾਸਟ ਟਾਈਮ all the work depend on the manual portions, like physical activities were done by the people more in the ancient time because they did a lot of work manually rather than using the machine. So due to having a good physical activities, they stayed more healthier, ठीक है, and stayed happy as compared to past. Got it everybody? First point, ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਫਿਜ਼ੀਕਲ, ਬਟ ਇਨ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਸਿਨੈਰੀਓ ਸੈਡੈਂਟਰੀ ਲਾਈਫਸਟਾਈਲ ਹੈਜ਼ ਬੀਨ ਅਡੋਪਟਡ ਬਾਈ ਦ ਪੀਪਲ, ਸੋ ਦੈਟਸ ਵਾਈ ਅ ਲੋਟ ਆਫ ਡਿਜ਼ੀਜ਼ ਕੈਨ ਬੀ ਸੀਨ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, in which a lot of challenges are being faced by the people in the present scenario. Got it? The most dominant is obesity, in which a lot of youngster as well as adult and older people have to survive in the present scenario as compared to the past. Got it my point? So next point ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ, along with this I am more inclined towards the view that in the ancient time people were more happier because of their physical fitness, ठीक है, because in the present scenario ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂਅਲ ਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ, ਹੋਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਪਾਸਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਮੋਸਟ ਆਫ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਫੈਮਲੀਜ਼ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਤੇ ਡਿਪੈਂਡ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ, ਦ ਫੈਮਲੀ ਬੌਂਡ ਵਰ ਮੋਰ ਸਟਰੋਂਗ ਇਨ ਦ ਏਸ਼ੀਅਨ ਟਾਈਮ ਵੇਅਰ ਦ ਜੁਆਇੰਟ ਫੈਮਲੀਜ਼ were lived together, but in the present scenario due to having a breakdown of the families, ठीक है, people have to suffer from the homesickness, loneliness, ठीक है, so that's why they can suffer from the depressive disorders. In the present scenario nobody is present in the family in order to deal with the sentiments which the person have emotionally, so emotional support cannot be seen in the present scenario as compared to past. Equality, integrity and unity were present in the ancient time but not present in the present scenario. Got it my point? Yes. ਨੈਕਸਟ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਡਿਸਐਗਰੀ। ਏਸ਼ੀਅਨ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਆਲ ਫੂਡ ਇਨ ਦ ਏਸ਼ੀਅਨ ਟਾਈਮ ਪੀਪਲ ਜਸਟ ਅਰਨ ਫॉर द ਪੀਪਲ ਜਸਟ ਡੂ ਦ ਵਰਕ, ठीक है, did the work in order to earn their bread butter, but in the present scenario main motive of the person money, biggest money, so that's why a lot of crops where the production is more important rather than the quality of food, so lot of chemical pesticides and insecticides are being used by the people, then after that when the food, hygienic food is grasped by the people, so they have to suffer a lot of disease, health hassles. disease ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, health hassles, note ਕਰੋ, health hassles, health maladies, health hazards. Got it? In the ancient time the all food were organic, so that's why all food were organic, but in the present scenario all food is adulterated. adulterated word लिखो, आजकल जेड़ा भोजन है वो मिलावटी हो चुकिया। Got it? After pondering a great deal of thought I came to the conclusion, in the ancient time people were more happier because they were more they had a family support and good health that help them in order to stay happy, because as everyone know that health is a wealth, but in the present scenario the happiness and the smile on the faces has disappeared due to having a lot of health hassles in which the people are surviving. Got it everybody? So in this way we can go with the 2 points, agree or disagree. You should go with only 1 point, not partially agree. Got it my point? Yes. ਸੋ ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਸੀ ਐਸੇ ਅਗਰੀ ਔਰ ਡਿਸਅਗਰੀ ਦਾ ਹਾਊ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ ਐਂਡ ਸਮ ਆਫ ਦ ਐਰਰਸ that are made by the candidates usually, that's why they lost their marks in spite of having a good command in the English and language also. So hope ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ properly ਸਮਝ ਆਇਆ ਹੋਊਗਾ. As usual, if anyone have any kind of doubt, comment on my video. If anyone want to learn about the another essay like both views, problematic and advantages, disadvantages, I will discuss properly. So go with the point where you can justify. The examiner just want to see your justification that can be go with one point of the explanation, because here you can use multiple variations of grammar that are more important in order to boost your scores. Thank you so much.